Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk-around video of our 2015 Honda Jazz ES Plus. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to an impressive 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and the car's covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the crystal black and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the nice wide door opening there, so easy access getting in and out. The driver's seat there has an armrest, which is adjustable for height and can fold it away. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your FM radio and CD player there in the centre, and this car also has climate control. And then on the right-hand side there, you've got your controls for your folding door mirrors. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, the Jazz has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for rear passengers or if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's pockets in the back of the front seats too. As we open the tailgate, you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You've also got the nice low loading sill, so ideal for lifting items out of the boot. And then underneath the boot floor, you've got a net there for storage first of all, for easy access. And then below that, you've got even more storage, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.